Hey all, my name is Gaurav and in this video we'll talk about the Stream API in Java 8. So this is a blog I have written and video description. I'll share the blog link as well. So let's start. So before starting with Java Stream API, let's see how we were doing prior to Stream API introduced in Java 8. So let's take an example. Let's say we have a list of numbers, list of integers, list name is numbers, and it has four numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. My job is to double each number in this list. So how would I do that? I'll create another list. Let's say I'll name it doubled numbers. Now I'll iterate the original list, which is numbers. I'll say each integer number in numbers, add the numbers in the double number list after multiplying it by 2 and then print the list. Okay, so let's see if it is working. Yes, it is working. Now let's say I have another operation I need to perform on this list. I need to filter out the even numbers, which is 2 and 4. What I'll do again, I'll create a new list. So let's say I name this list as even numbers. Again, I'll iterate the list. I'll say iterate the original list. I'll say iterate through each number in the numbers list. And if modular division of number with 2 is equal to 0, it means it's an even number. And in that case, add that number into even numbers list. And print the list. Even number list is even numbers. Let's say if it is working too. Yes, it is working too. So there are few things we need to notice. Here we are telling Java each and every step what exactly do we need to do. So we are telling Java, okay, first you need to create a list of integers, then iterate through the each numbers in the original list, which is numbers, then double the number, each number into the list and add that number into the newly created list. So that's what we are telling. Similarly, if we are filtering out the numbers, we are telling Java to create a new list, then iterate through the original list and check if modular division of number with 2 is equal to 0, then add that number into a even number list. So that is how we are Java is working. So basically we need to tell each and every step what to do. Now let's do with same thing with stream. So, okay, let me comment this portion. Now, if I say number dot, it has a function stream which returns a stream of integers. So it returns a stream. I'll store it in a stream of integer and I'll name it as a stream of numbers. Okay. Now, if I need to double the number, I'll say a stream of numbers dot map is a function to manipulate the data. I'll say take each number and just double it. Now collect that list into another list using collect function. Collectors dot to list. Okay, and this will return me a new list. So again, I'll take that output into this list and I'll print the list. Cool. Let's see if it is working. It is working. So here there are a couple of things. First thing, the same thing we are able to achieve into a lesser number of lines of code. Second thing, we are concentrating what to do, not how to do. Means we are telling stream that what to do. You need to double each number in the list. That's what we are telling. Remaining things like iterate the original list, then double the number, then add into a new list, and then return that list. So that is all handled by stream. We are not bothered about that. So that's the beauty of stream. Even though I can keep it in a single line as well. Here also I can say number of streams. I can say simply like this as well. I'll say numbers dot stream dot map double each number and then collect the new list. Collectors dot to list. That's it. So this is my single line of code I am what we can do in that way. Let's run this if it is working. Yeah, so it is producing the same result. So let's take a second scenario as well. I don't need this as well. Okay, I can run that in a single line. I can get the output by of doubling the number in the list. Let's take another scenario where now let me comment this. Now let's say we need to filter out even numbers. How can I do that? Again, numbers dot stream. It will return me a stream of integers. Then I'll say filter the numbers. So check if number mod division with 2 is equal to 0. Then collect that number into a list, new list. Collectors dot to list. That is all. And let's say I will store this in a variable even numbers and I can print that too. See, it worked. So that's the beauty of stream. So we can write a lesser number, same thing we can do in a lesser number of lines of code. The code is more expressive and easy to read. And we are concentrating what to do, not how to do. Stream how to do, stream knows and itself it handles internally all those things. So if we say what is this stream, so what is this stream? So stream is basically, if I go there, stream is a interface which was introduced in Java 1.8. So that's a stream. Okay. And one more interesting thing, stream does not store any data. It does not modify the original list. So even after performing this operation, if I print the list, original list, it is intact. Original list is numbers. The original list is still same, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the next video, we'll talk about these things like a stream does not store any data. It does not require any memory to store the original source of data, in this case, which is list of integers. It has a lazy operation. What does it mean? So all those things we'll look into next video. Thank you.